Well, welcome back to Steve Rob Reviews. Do you have a Silverado, maybe an F-150 or a Dodge Ram, and on your multi-function switch, on your steering column, you press the wash for your windshield washers and it doesn't work? Well, I've had this on my truck for quite a long time, this problem, where only in the winter time when it is severely cold. I don't expect a lot of people have actually experienced this before, but this might help some people out there. But yeah, I kind of did some kind of a redneck resolve for it. I'm going to show you guys today. And what the symptoms were was I'd press for the wash, nothing would come out. And I thought, okay, the pump's dead or something like that, or maybe the multi-function switch is not working right. And then it would warm up, everything would work fine. So, of course, I got my test light out there and I'm checking all kinds of stuff, and it works perfectly all the time, except when it's severely cold. So I'm going to show you what I did, and I'm going to get a little bit of a chuckle, but this is how you fix stuff up in the north when you're a redneck. Well, there we go right there. You can see where I am in the truck here and up against the firewall. This is my 2002 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, and you can see what I've done there. I'll see if I can get the light a little bit better. But all I have done is installed another pump in line, and there's the little bit of a relay I've put in there, and go take you inside the truck and show you what I did. Well, here we are inside the truck. This is the original multifunction switch, and there you go right there, and that gives you your wash. You see that green button over there? Guys, I'm going to take you up on the windshield wiper here and show you right there. Guys, is that not slick or what? Well, what did you think of that? I mean, now I've got two pumps. I am backed up to the backup to make sure that when we put the windshield washer fluid on, it's going to go on. And for me, I couldn't find out any other resolve. I mean, yeah, I could just throw a brand new multifunction switch at it. I really don't know what's going on, whether that pump is freezing up or whether the switch is no good. So in my mind, I'm thinking backup time. And that's what I done. If you want to get a little bit of a kick here, I'll show you my little bit of a parts bin here of some of the stuff that I just keep on hand for stuff like this. So let's take a look. Well, here we go here, and I've got a whole bunch of this style here, and the ones that I used were over here. And of course, you got to get the red and you got to get the green, and this was so simple, just two connectors. And of course, all the load is at the relay. This is just a an input. And guys, these are really cheap. Now you have some that go off and stay off or on, and then you have some that are just momentary. And maybe I could find one in here that's actually momentary, but I do have some that are momentary. And you think I'm going to find one when I'm on camera? There we go right there. There's one right there. So that's the one that I use, because of course you just don't want it to have stay on. So this is just some of the stuff that I keep on hand. Well, I hope you like that. It's a little bit of a redneck fix there, but think about it. You can just go to the store, get yourself another pump, put it in line. I didn't touch anything down at the reservoir, and it works in addition to what I have there already. And up here in Canada, when you have the winters like we do, and you need some windshield washer fluid to clean your windscreen, well, guess what? You gotta have backup. And that's what I got here today. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel, well, you're quite welcome to subscribe. Come back again. Let's have some more fun. Cheers.